Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at Ari Wallet point verification update. Ari Wallet gave us an update that they are about to introduce the EVM wallet registration. Here is their latest update, and they made this update. They say we are currently developing a registration mission process in the Ari Wallet app, which includes EVM wallet registration. So we are going to do EVM registration inside the Ari Wallet. So if you are still joking with your Ari wallet, you are going to miss a lot. You have to do this. This might cover the KYC many people has been asking for. That is, you need to verify your account. With you adding your EVM wallet, it will now show that you are the rightful owner of that Ari wallet. Now they say through this update, users will be able to complete wallet registration and point verification. So they are going to cover two things here on the Ari wallet. They said through this update you can complete wallet registration and point verification. So they are going to verify your points, and also you have to complete your wallet registration. That may serve as KYC. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. Now they said the update is scheduled to be released at the end of this month or early next month. So this verification of points and wallet registration is going to take place ending of this month or early next month. That means mining is coming to an end as well, as they are rolling out this feature whereby you can verify your points and the wallet registration. That means mining is ending very soon. And right now you guys know we are not doing anything in the app apart from normal checking. The quiz update and quiz whatever has been rolled out, so the only thing we have there is the normal daily checking. And they said please stay tuned for further announcements. This was the update they made yesterday. And looking at this comment section, people are really happy. They are asking questions. Please lead not into gas fee and deliver us from Afas. So wow, so you are saying we have to hold extra months before everything gets their dust. So people are just curious to know the kind of verification they are going to roll out, and they said it is EVM wallet registration. So if you are not yet active on your Ari Chain, please take it extremely serious. And if you have not started, you can as well look at the link and start immediately, accumulate points so that you can at least have something to show for. So you have to do the daily check-in. Like I said, that is the only thing we have here. You do the daily check-in and accumulate more points before this project comes to an end. Now if you go to the general, if you still have points to claim there that will add up as your RG, you have to do it. I need to follow Michelle on S, and I also need to follow their Twitter. So these are the two things remaining for me to do. And they also have the collabs. In this collabs, you are going to partner with Follow Cryptic and get 15 RG. Okay, this one is the one that will serve as your RG. The general point is going to serve as your array. That's the Ari Chain point, which they said we are going to verify our Ari Chain account and also the Ari Chain. Make sure you are active, do the necessary thing you need to do, and stay tuned. Moreover, I have said it clear before, you have to back up your master key. If you click on this arrow, it's going to take you where you can back up your master key. You have to back up your master key, should in case if anything happens to your phone, you can easily use your master key to recover your account. Do that, is very important. Do not waste time, join immediately. And if you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more on this. Thank you guys.